India bloc seat sharing talks is in full swing. India allies held a virtual meeting, but West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Bandyopadhyay, Akhilesh Yadav of the Samajwadi Party and Sena UBT Uddhav Thackeray skipped the meeting this time. As per our sources, during the meeting turning down the convener's post, Nitish Kumar reportedly said he doesn't have any aspiration for taking any post and only wants India bloc to gain momentum on ground. Suggesting that India chief should be from the Congress, Nitish expressed displeasure over senior leaders not attending the bloc meeting today. During the meeting of the opposition alliance leaders, Mallikarjun Kharge's name was proposed as the India bloc chief, but the final announcement would be made after talks with Mamata and Akhilesh. During the meeting, he also proposed Lalu's name as the convener's post. Meanwhile, BJP mocked the India bloc, saying virtual alliance will do virtual meetings only, and that the opposition's agenda and the only agenda is Modi Hatao and Parivar Bachao.
खडगेंच्या अध्यक्षतेखाली त्या मीटिंगमध्ये जवळपास इंडियाचे सगळे महत्त्वाचे लोक हजर होते. त्याच्यामध्ये तामिळनाडूचे मुख्यमंत्री होते, कर्नाटकचे पदाधिकारी होते, त्याच्यानंतर बिहारचे मुख्यमंत्री होते, त्याच्यानंतर दिल्लीचे मुख्यमंत्री होते, त्याच्यानंतर झारखंडचे मुख्यमंत्री होते, अब्दुल्ला होते, त्याच्यानंतर अन्य विरोधी पक्षाचे महत्त्वाचे नेते त्या ठिकाणी होते. राहुल गांधी होते, सोनियाजीसुद्धा होते. आणि या सगळ्यांच्या समोर एक चर्चा झाली की निवडणुकीला आपण एका विचारांना सामोरं जावं, लवकरात लवकर जागांच्या वाटपाबद्दलचा निर्णय घ्यावा. जिथं डिस्प्यूट असेल तो डिस्प्यूट एक दोन लोकांनी बसून त्याचा मार्ग काढावा. त्यानंतर आता हे जे संघटन उभं केलं त्याचं नेतृत्व, त्याचं अध्यक्षपद खडगेंनी घ्यावं अशा प्रकारची सूचना ही काही सहकार्यांनी केली आणि त्याला मान या सगळ्यांची संमती होती.
असं गाडीतनं कुठेतरी हालत डोलत व्हिडिओ कॉन्फरन्स घ्यायची, मध्ये तुम्ही दिसल्यावरती उतरायचं, मग पुन्हा चढणं, अशी अर्धवट बैठक घेण्यापेक्षा त्यांना म्हटलं की मी आजच्या बैठकीला जरा अनुपस्थित राहील. हे आधी कळवलेलं आहे, याची दखल माझ्या मते सगळ्या चॅनलने मीडियाने घ्यावी. आणि संजय राऊत सुद्धा माझ्या बरोबर आहे, नाहीतर आम्ही दोघंही नाराज.
The seat sharing arrangement, the constituents must start the talks at state level and conclude as early as possible to carry forward the work. Mr. Kharge has been named as chairperson of the India Alliance. Mr. Nitish Kumar has been named as convener. That is yet to be consulted with those parties which were not present. Congress party being the largest party in the coalition, it heads the coalition as chairperson. Right. To carry forward the work involving everybody, a non-Congress ally can be convener. Right. That is how the discussion is.
इस इंडी गठबंधन में क्या क्या करिश्मा होता है, इसको जानने के लिए एक SIT बैठानी पड़ेगी ना. कब कौन किसका नाम प्रस्तावित करता है, कब कौन किसके नाम पर विरोध करता है, कब कौन किसके नाम पर वीटो लगाता है, और कब कोई कहता है कि मैं इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूं. तो इसलिए आप भी शोध करिए, हम लोग भी शोध करेंगे, समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. एक बात स्पष्ट है कि आज के बाद से इंडी गठबंधन के टूटने का पहला कील लग गया.
The name of Mallikarjun Kharge as the convener of the India Alliance bloc, that proposal has been made. So what really are the strengths and weaknesses of Mallikarjun Kharge, who also is the president of the Congress party? Let's get you the details. The strength is that one of the tallest Dalit leaders. Weakness is that no electoral base outside the Gulbarg region. Essentially, that is his weakness. Also, vast organizational administrative experience, as we've seen in the past. Also lost his own Lok Sabha seat in the year 2019, and that was a brief setback for Mallikarjun Kharge. That's his weakness. Also, let's talk about the other strengths. Leading South Indian face on weakness essentially is that not really seen as somebody who's got a lot of charisma. He doesn't really have that. Also strength is one record 10 consecutive elections. So as far as his electoral politics base is concerned, he seems to be on pretty solid grounds there. Weakness is that he's an aging leader. Age is a factor that doesn't really work in his favor. Let's now talk about the opportunity and all opposition parties. What are they likely to do? Now, he possibly is going to be supported by everyone, and that certainly is his opportunity. The fact that he's a Dalit also is going to be a compelling factor. No substantial electoral base of his own, and that is a bit of a problem there. Also, bring in the Dalit votes. He is going to be acceptable in that sense and join the Dalit crucial votes, important for the India bloc as is for the BJP as well. Threat is that anti-Congress parties might not support him in that sense. Many of the parties who in fact have their own base in Dalit electoral politics may not be supporting him. BJP can't be painting him as a dynast like they do with the Gandhis essentially. Threat is that anti-Congress parties may not support him. That seems to be a bit of a problem. All right, let's now get you all the details of the India Alliance bloc meeting, and we'll continue to keep a close eye on developments on that front. Remember, the virtual meeting was held today, and the name, like we said, of Kharge was supposed